Every car starts its life with the same promise: smooth rides, strong performance, and years of reliability. But why do some cars die before 100,000 miles, while others keep running strong past 500,000? It's not luck. It's the driver. The truth is, if you know how to take care of your car and follow a few simple car maintenance tips, your car can easily outlive its expected lifespan. In this video, we'll reveal 20 habits that can make your car last over 500,000 miles without major repairs. Let's start with the most overlooked one. Number 1, you never maintain your car's battery. If you leave your car sitting for long periods, the battery slowly degrades and eventually goes flat. You think it's fine, but jump-starting a dead battery puts strain on both the battery and delicate electronics, risking engine management failures. To prevent this, consider a trickle charger or a battery conditioner if it struggles to hold charge. Even better, try to drive your car at least once a week, especially in winter, to keep everything active. Wondering how to make a car last 500,000 miles? Proper battery care is the first step. Number 2, you keep ignoring your filters. Most drivers often ignore to change their oil and air filters regularly. Clogged filters choke your engine, reduce efficiency, and accelerate wear. Cheap replacements might even harm your engine in the long run. Stick to your service schedule. Use genuine parts and wash reusable air filters if your handbook allows. Even a mobile mechanic can handle this from your driveway. Thinking what should be done at 100,000 miles. Replacing filters is critical for longevity. Number 3, you never drive smoothly. If you're asking how to make your engine last, smooth driving is your most underrated tool. Aggressive acceleration, hard braking, and jerky gear changes don't just spike fuel bills. They also damage engine components, the gearbox, and suspension over time. You might think it's normal, but the wear adds up silently. Practice mechanical sympathy, accelerate gently, brake progressively, and anticipate traffic. Every few hundred miles, let your engine rev to the red line on a quiet road with warm oil only to prevent carbon buildup and keep your engine healthy. Number 4, you never use your air conditioning. Use it or lose it applies perfectly to your car's air conditioning. AC systems naturally leak refrigerant over time, especially if they aren't used regularly. Turning off your AC might save a bit of fuel, but eventually you could end up paying for a regas. Usually around $60 to $70 at most local shops or quick service centers. And yes, that means letting your vents blow cold even in winter. If you think your system needs a regas, find a trusted mechanic nearby to have it checked. Number 5, you don't replace spark plugs and leads. A worn spark plug or cracked lead silently reduces engine performance, causes misfires, and can signal deeper engine problems. You might think everything is fine, but ignoring this means your engine isn't running at its best. Check your spark plugs for wear, discoloration, or excessive gaps, and replace the leads if needed. Always follow your vehicle handbook schedule. Diesel owners can skip this step, but for petrol engines, it's essential for keeping your car running smoothly and efficiently. Number 6, you fail to top up fluids regularly. Fluids are your car's lifeblood. Neglecting them can cause serious problems. Check your engine oil and lubricants every 2 weeks. Open the bonnet on level ground. Remove the dipstick, wipe it, then dip it again. Oil should sit between the min and max marks and be light yellow-brown for petrol engines. Dark, dirty oil needs changing, but diesel oil naturally darkens due to soot, so don't panic. Also check the coolant reservoir. Top up with 50% distilled water, 50% antifreeze. And the windscreen washer bottle. Always use proper screen wash, never washing up liquid, which can harm your paintwork. Number 7, you never check your tires. A single tire blowout at highway speed can destroy your fender, damage your suspension, or even cause a crash. And it all starts with something as simple as neglect. Most drivers never check their tires. But when they're underinflated or worn unevenly, they quietly waste fuel, wear faster, and make your car harder to control. To prevent it, check your tire pressure every week, rotate them regularly, and always keep the least worn tires on the rear axle for safety. Number 8, you keep ignoring the service schedule. Skipping regular services might feel like saving money, but it slowly destroys your car. Regular servicing keeps your car in top condition and extends its life. Service intervals are usually based on time or mileage. Check your handbook for specifics. Modern cars may also have dashboard alerts for maintenance. Budget for a minor service once a year: oil, oil filter, and fluids, and a major service every 2 to 3 years. Air filter, spark plugs, cam bolt, and more. Every service should also include checks on oil/fluid leaks, tire condition, brakes, steering, gearbox, suspension, lights, wipers, and horn. Asking, how do I increase the lifespan of my car? Following the service schedule is non-negotiable. Number 9, you never keep your car covered. That dull, faded paint on your hood didn't happen overnight. It's the result of years of sun, rain, and road grime slowly eating through the finish. Most drivers never bother to keep their car covered, thinking it's unnecessary, but constant exposure silently degrades paint, plastics, and even metal, leading to corrosion and costly restoration later on. The fix is simple: park in a garage whenever possible, or invest in a quality car cover. It not only protects the exterior, but can even help lower your insurance premiums. Number 10, you always carry extra weight. Unnecessary items in your car may seem harmless, but they increase strain on suspension, brakes, and tires, and reduce fuel efficiency. You think it's fine, but every extra pound counts over hundreds of thousands of miles. Clear out what you don't need, except for essentials like your toolkit and emergency kit. This small change is part of what impacts a car's lifespan. Number 11, you ignore small rust or corrosion. Rust may not seem serious at first, but for cars from the 90s or older, it's a silent killer. Once corrosion starts, repairs get expensive quickly. Don't wait until it spreads. Cover any rust spots with touch-up paint right away, or have the car professionally resprayed. Adding a stone-deflecting film to the front can also prevent chips and scratches before they happen. For full protection, get your chassis rust-proofed. This fills cavities with a waxy substance to stop water from getting in. Acting early like this can save you big money and a lot of trouble down the road. Number 12, think twice before modifying your car. Many car owners fail to see that modifications can seriously impact a car's lifespan. Tuning for extra power or installing a stiffer suspension might seem fun, but it puts extra stress on your engine, brakes, and chassis. Over time, this leads to faster wear and tear, and it often lowers your car's resale value. If your goal is longevity, sticking to stock settings is the safest route. It keeps your car running smoothly for years. and saves you from costly repairs down the road. Number 13. Avoid potholes to protect your car. Not many drivers know that avoiding potholes is key to making a car last 500,000 miles. Hitting potholes misaligns your suspension, damages shocks, and can even scrape your catalytic converter. You might think hitting a pothole once in a while is no big deal, but each impact slowly wears down your suspension and alignment. Whenever possible, take smoother roads and report hazards. These small precautions save you from costly repairs and keep your car running longer. Number 14. Don't rely on gears to stop your car. If you've done this before, it's already affecting your engine's longevity. Using engine braking at high speeds might seem clever, but it puts serious stress on your clutch, transmission, and drivetrain. You might think it's normal, but doing it repeatedly shortens your engine's lifespan. Use the brake pedal to slow down and shift gears only to maintain control, not to stop the car. Doing this keeps your drivetrain healthy and helps your car last longer. Number 15. You never keep your car clean. You might not notice it, but ignoring dirt, grit, and bird droppings slowly eats away at your car. They speed up rust, ruin your paint, and even wear down suspension bushings over time. Automated car washes miss a lot of spots, while hand washing with the right products gives way better protection. Keep the inside clean, use some dash protectant, and block UV rays from your windows. Little habits like this keep your car looking great and running strong for years. Number 16. You rest your foot on the clutch or hand on the gear stick. It might feel harmless, but this habit slowly wears out your clutch release bearing and transmission parts. You may think it's just a small thing, but after thousands of miles, that extra pressure adds up to real damage. Keep your hands on the wheel and your foot off the clutch when you're not shifting. Breaking this bad habit saves your transmission and your wallet from costly repairs down the road. Number 17. You never maintain fuel levels. Running low on fuel draws debris into the pump, clogs filters, and risks injector damage. Diesel engines are especially vulnerable. You assume it's minor, but repairs are costly. Keep the tank topped up to prevent expensive issues down the road. You might assume it's a minor issue, but repairs are expensive. Keep your tank topped up to avoid costly problems and help your car last longer. Number 18. You always scrimp on parts. Using cheap aftermarket components may save a few dollars, but original parts prevent premature failures. You underestimate the cumulative effect on your engine, suspension, and braking systems. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations for parts and fluids. Always follow the manufacturer's recommendations for parts and fluids. Investing in quality now saves you from costly repairs later and keeps your car running reliably for years. Number 19. You ignore warning lights. Dashboard alerts are your car's early warning system. Ignoring them risks engine or brake failure, and small issues can quickly turn into expensive repairs. You might think it's fine because the car still feels normal, but those lights are there for a reason. Always get warning lights checked promptly by professionals to protect your car's lifespan and avoid major damage. Number 20. Always make sure to do basic, regular checks on your car. Not many drivers know that simple checks are essential when asking, is 250,000 kilometers Too much for a car? Or how do I increase the lifespan of my car? Routine inspections, checking fluids, tires, spark plugs, brakes, air conditioning, and more. Catch small problems before they become serious. You might assume nothing bad will happen, but neglect accelerates wear across the car. Even a quick bi-weekly check can add years to your vehicle's life and save you from costly repairs down the road. You've seen the habits that silently destroy cars and the steps to stop them. Over 500,000 miles isn't a dream. It's achievable with vigilance and smart maintenance. Don't let small oversights shorten your car's life. Start today, and your car will thank you for decades to come. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, share it with other car owners, and subscribe for more real-world automotive tips. Your next repair might just be the one you prevent by watching the next video, so don't miss it.